Hello everyone, welcome back to another helpful tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to mute Telegram chats on your PC using Telegram Desktop. If a chat, group, or channel is sending too many notifications, you can mute it easily without leaving the conversation. First, open Telegram Desktop on your computer. From the chat list on the left side, find the chat that you want to mute. Now right-click on that chat. A menu will appear on the screen. From the menu, move your cursor over Mute Notifications. You'll see several options, including Mute For and Mute Forever. If you want to mute the chat for a specific period, click Mute For and choose the duration you want. You can select a temporary mute option based on your preference. If you don't want to receive notifications from that chat until you manually enable them again, click Mute Forever. Telegram will immediately mute notifications for that chat. You'll still receive messages normally, but notification sounds and alerts will be turned off. Whenever you want to receive notifications again, simply right-click on the same chat and turn notifications back on. This is very useful for busy group chats, promotional channels, or conversations that interrupt your work or study time. That's how you can mute Telegram chats on PC using Telegram Desktop. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Telegram Desktop tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.